Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix search by post option not showing on Facebook. This is a common issue and I'll walk you through it step by step to bring it back. So normally when you search something on Facebook, you can filter results and choose post, but sometimes the post tab disappears. This usually happens because of the cache issue, app version differences, and account reason settings. So first of all, you need to go ahead and simply update your Facebook. Head back to your home screen, open up the App Store, and then inside here, you need to go ahead and simply search for Facebook. Once you search for it, tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. And after that, you have to go ahead and simply clear the app cache. There's no cache button for iPhone, so just delete the Facebook app and then reinstall it. Don't worry, your account stays safe. After that, open up your Facebook application in your mobile device, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon right over here and then select settings right over here. Now inside here, scroll below and then tap on language and reason. And now change your language to English. And just like that, you can check again. The post filter should appear. Also, Facebook sometimes tests features and remove them for some users. So it usually comes back within a few days. Now you know how you can fix the search by post option not showing on Facebook. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.